So now guys, we are going to look through the quantifiers and we are going to start with some and any. So we use some and any for both countable and uncountable nouns. And we use some for positive sentences and we use any for the question sentence or negative sentence. For example, I have some friends. So it's positive sentence, that's why I use some. So if you pay attention to the noun, after some we use plural noun. And I don't have any friends. So this is a negative sentence, that's why I put here any, but you have to pay attention to the noun here as well, because after some and any, we always use plural nouns. And there is some exception, which means like after some, means like some we can use for the question form when there is a request. For example, would you like some tea? And the word with would you like and the word with do you like, we can use some in question form. And when it comes to the many much, so we use many for countable nouns, we use much for uncountable nouns, and we use a lot of and lots of. They are universal, which means like we can use these both for both countable and uncountable nouns. And the word a lot we use at the end of sentence. For example, I have many friends. So friends is countable, that's why I use just many. But I have much money. Money is uncountable, that's why I use much. And there is one thing, I have a lot of friends and I have a lot of money. If you pay attention to the a lot of and the word friends and money, which is one of them is countable and the second one is uncountable, but we can use a lot of. And instead of a lot of, we can put here just lots of, because a lot of and lots of are the same. So the last one, a lot. For example, I miss my mother a lot. So if you see the word a lot, so it comes at the end of sentence. So there is one thing, too many and too much. When it's the larger amount that we want, we use too many or too much. For example, there are too many shops. That's why we can't go all of them. You see, it's more than enough, more than we want. In that time, we use too many or too much. Too many comes for the countable nouns, too much comes for uncountable nouns. So the last one, the few, a few, little, and a little, actually when we use, in what ways? So few and a few we use for countable nouns, and little and a little we use for uncountable nouns. If we use for countable nouns few and a few, what is difference between few and a few? Let's have a look. So first one, few means too small. A few means small. For example, I have a few friends, which means I have like 3, 5, 10 friends. I have few friends means I have only 1 or 2, which means it's too small. And if you pay attention, the noun, it's countable and plural. And little, a little, the same thing happens with little and a little. So little means too small and a little means small quantity of something. For example, I have a little money, I can catch the bus, which means my money is enough for the bus because I have a little. But when I'm gonna tell I have little money, which means I can't. I have little money, that is why I can't catch the bus. And little makes the sentence meaning negative. So with little we cannot put don't, not like this stuff. And we have the enough. After enough we use noun. So we use for all the stuff which is important. For example, have you got enough chairs for all? So if you pay attention, after enough we use noun. This is all for quantifiers. Ta-da for now.